ED probes Himachal Ayushman Bharat scam, suspected money laundering by Congress MLA and Neta. Fake patients and Netas, hospitals being benefited. In fact, ED probes 25 crore scam in Ayushman scheme, suspects political links with Chief Minister Sukhu's wife. The ED raids at least 19 locations in Himachal, Delhi, Chandigarh, Punjab. And suspicion is that the Chief Minister's wife could be behind it, as they're accusing the scam to be worth crores of rupees, an estimated 25 crores that could have been swindled off in the name of the Ayushman scheme. ED now probing Himachal's Ayushman Bharat scam as suspected money laundering by Congress MLA and Neta, fake patients and Netas, the hospitals being benefited. ED probes 25 crore scam in Ayushman scheme, suspects political links with Chief Minister Sukhu's wife. The ED probing 19 spots in Himachal, Delhi, Chandigarh and Punjab. In fact, Shreya Chatterjee brings us more on that. Shreya, please, over to you. Give us more clarity on this case. ED raiding multiple locations, and we also know at the same time, Himachal, parts of it has been hit by landslides and cloudbursts. There are over 50 people said to be missing at this point. In the midst of it, ED probing a 25 crore Ayushman scam, accusing Congress Netas of it.
Well, yes, Nabila, essentially this entire search in the 19 locations by the Enforcement Directorate started yesterday, which included the likes of Kangra, Una, Shimla, Manali, Kulu and places of Chandigarh and Delhi as well. This pertains to the generation of fake Ayushman Bharat, ABPMJI ID cards in the violation of the scheme. The allegations are against multiple hospitals, including the Bake Bihari Hospital, Fortis Hospital, etc. But what we are being told that there were multiple medical bills that were generated on fake cards, and that actually caused loss to the exchequer and public. Now, one of the MLAs, Aris Bali, from Nagrota in Himachal Pradesh, was also searched. He's also one of the chairman of the Himachal Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation. Apart from that, we are understanding that as of now, they have already identified as many as 373 fake Ayushman cards, which have already claimed amounts to the tune of 40,68,150 rupees. This essentially stems from an FIR that was registered in the month of January this year by the State Vigilance Department. And as per the investigation that has been conducted so far, the case involves proceeds of crime, as you were rightly pointing it out, to the tune of 25 crores.
So, from what we see here, Shreya, that the Chief Minister's wife is said to be involved in it. Is she actively involved in politics otherwise?
Well, yes, there are two sub-searches that are simultaneously being conducted, and it's being suggested that one of the aides actually is close to the wife of the Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister, and that is something that the Enforcement Directorate is being investigated. Whether the office of the position were misused is something that the Enforcement Directorate, through the investigation of the proceeds of the crime, because this is essentially a PMLA case, will be investigating. And this FIR that I was talking about, which actually initiated the entire scam, the money laundering probe was initiated in July 16, 2024, but the FIR was registered last year by the State Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Bureau in Una. The sections then were of 420, 467, 468 and 471 IPC. So on this particular FIR, the Enforcement Directorate has already begun their investigation. The three main hospitals that have been concerned, in fact four, are Bake Bihari Hospital, Fortis, Balaji Hospital, Sood Nursing Home and the Sri Harihar Hospital. So the Enforcement Directorate has already begun their investigation, and one of the MLAs have been, who has been searched is Aris Bali, is an Congress MLA from Nagrota in Himachal Pradesh. So we can clearly say that tension mounting on the Congress in Himachal Pradesh as ED begins this investigation into the fake PMJI card case.
Shreya, for joining us on that.